Hi, it's Stephen C. Campbell. I just wanted to take some time to give some more detail about the complete business strategy and digital marketing workshop that we'll be holding very soon. So the workshop comes in two parts. Part one is the foundation, which is laid before we get into some of the more sometimes technical aspects of digital marketing. Here in part one, we touch on the correct positioning of the marketing category that the product or service will be placed within. This is related to brand equity, pricing, and other related factors. Next, we look at defining our target market or market segmentation. This could be in terms of business to business or business to consumer sales, or it could be targeting customers by gender, earnings, or possibly living location. Then we look at communicating the message of the business through appropriate marketing channels and delivering those same products and services through other chosen customer purchase paths. Part two moves on to discussing digital marketing, where we divide the session into search engine and social media marketing. In search, we look at how sites are ranked, including on-page and off-page optimization, content creation, anchor text, linking, blogging, and of course, keyword research. The social media aspect looks at connecting, influencing, and being in touch with targeted individuals through following, liking, mentioning, and research-based, remember the keyword research? Content creation and publication. We touch on video marketing, email marketing, list segmentation, and other related topics to build an overall strategic mindset when it comes to business planning and executing digital marketing strategies. Oh, and paid advertising is also visited, and that ties part one and part two together. So there we have it, the complete business strategy and digital marketing blueprint workshop. Want to know more? Interested? Get in touch. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.